Hello everyone, I am Manoj Kumar Sahu. Today we will discuss decision making in C. So, first of all, we will discuss what is decision making, then different types of decision making. First of all, we will discuss what is the mean of decision making. In decision making, the programmer need to specify one or more condition to be tested by the program along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. Decision making means what? Here the programmer need to specify what? More than one conditions for a specific program. If the condition is true, means it will execute the corresponding statements. If not, means optionally other statement will be executed. So in C programming, in C programming language, it provides more than different types of decision makings. They are simple if else statement, if else if statement, nested if statement, switch statements. So we will discuss one after another thoroughly. First we will see simple if statement. An if statement contains a boolean expression or condition followed by one or more statement. In C simple if statement, what it will happen? There is only one condition and corresponding statement. केवल कंडीशन रहा तार करस्पॉन्डिंग स्टेटमेंट कौन एग्जीक्यूटेड हम से मीन्स ये कौन हम ना इफ जदि कंडीशन टा ट्रू है देन द करस्पॉन्डिंग स्टेटमेंट विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. इफ नॉट, नेक्स्ट लाइन विल बी एग्जीक्यूटेड. So here I have taken one simple example. We will check whether the given number or value is less than 20 or not. If the value is less than 20, means it will display simple message, the value of A is less than 20. If not, it will not display any message. Okay, so first of all we will check one after another line of a program. So first hash include stdio.h and hash include conio.h, both are what? Header files, already we know. Then void main function, it is the starting beginning execution of the program. Then open curly braces, function open. Int a, here int a value is how much? A equal to 10. Now a value is how much? 10. Now here we are checking if a less than 20, means a value how much? 10 less than 20, means the condition is true or false. Means the condition here is true, means it will execute the next line, printf the value of a is less than 20. It will display the message. After executing the statement, then printf the value of a is how much? A value 10. It will display simple as 10. So suppose if here I will take a equal to 30, means how it will be executed? A value how much? 30. 30 less than 20, no, condition what? Condition is false. Condition is false, means it will not executed this line. Printf the value of age is less than, it will not executed directly. It will print, it will execute this line. Printf the value of age how much, 30, means it will display the value of 30. So this is the give example of simple if statement. Now we will see if else statement. In if else statement, the syntax of if else statement is if test condition, then statements, then else statements. Means in if else statement, what it will happen, first of all the if condition will be check if the condition is satisfied. If the condition is true, means it will execute this line. If not, means else part it will be executed. Okay, now we will see one simple example. We will check whether the given number is even or odd. So here I am taking int number equal to 10. 10. If number modulated 2 equal to 0, means 10 modulate 2 equal to 0, means when we will divide 10 by 2, if remainder equal to 0, 10 by 2 means how much, the remainder become 0, means the condition is true. Printf the input number is even number, it will print. Okay, sorry, the input number is even number. Then else the input number is odd number. Suppose if I will taken number equal to suppose 3. Okay, number 3 modulated by 2 and 2, remainder is how much, 1, means this is not a, this statement will not be executed directly, this else part will be executed. Okay, so this is one simple example. Now we will see if else statement. It is also called as else if ladder. The main syntax of if else if statement is, else statement is, first we will check if test condition then statement, else if condition then statement, else if then condition then else part. Now we will see one simple example. Here I have taken one value, int value. Suppose a user will be in check enter 1. Suppose here user input 1. Now I need to check whether the inputted number value is 1 or 2 up to suppose 5. Means how I will check, first of all I will check if condition, if value equal to 1, means print, I will simply print the value of the value of val is 1. Then else if the value of val is 2, then else if the value of val is 3, else if then open curly bracket the value of val is 3, 4, 5, in this way. If not, else statement, suppose the user has taken 10, means it will print printf. Suppose user has given suppose character, suppose a, so the a is not a number, so here simply it will print not a number. Suppose a car, okay, car a, this is not a number. So in this way, so we have another what, now nested if statement and switch statement. So we will discuss in tomorrow session with example. So thank you for watching this.